So now we're going to look at our Grassbag assembly. So if we remove it from the packaging, we should have our Grassbag mesh material and also our frame assembly. So we just remove the cable ties securing the parts. So we should have one frame assembly and then 2 crossbars. So for the assembly of the crossbars, if you have the handle facing towards you, and then it is detailed in the operator's manual as well, but just be aware of the orientation of the crossbars. So this one will face down. Locate them into position. And then this one at the bottom, that faces away from the handle. So now those are in place, we can then slide the bag over. Ensure that the mesh section is on the top where the handle is, and then the plastic section is on the bottom. And then you want to just clip the retaining clips over the frame assembly. Just locking and securing that in place. Once they're all in place, that will tension the mesh, keeping all that secure as one assembly.